5 mistakes everyone makes while shooting video content. Have you ever wondered why some videos just pop while others fall flat? Well, it's often because of these little things that make a big difference in video content creation. So let's dive into these 5 common video mistakes and how to avoid them. Hi, I'm Malay from Caliac Studios, and today we're going to talk about 5 mistakes when it comes to content creation. First mistake, it's the color crisis. Imagine watching a video where the colors look weird, right? Like something is out of a horror movie. So this is often caused by incorrect white balance. So what is white balance? Think of white balance as your camera's way of seeing colors correctly, right? So the different types of light like sunlight, tungsten, indoor lighting, your CFL can make colors look different. So how the light reflects on the object, that's how the object is going to look. So your camera needs to adjust these different lighting conditions to ensure accurate colors. So the color temperature of different lights is different. Like for example, there's a warm light, the color temperature is different. So how a white will be perceived with that is going to be different. So why is this important? Because incorrect white balance can make your videos look unprofessional or unappealing. It can also change the mood of your video. For example, a video with a warm color tone might feel cozy, while a video with a cool color tone might feel more serious or more cold. So how do we fix this? Use your camera's white balance settings. Most cameras have a setting to adjust the white balance. You can choose from different presets, like there's daylight, there's cloudy, there's tungsten, there's fluorescent, and etc. Use a white balance card. White balance card is a tool that helps your camera accurately measure the color temperature of the light source. So by understanding and correcting the white balance, you can make your videos look more professional and visually appealing. Mistake number 2, the shaky camera syndrome. Shaky footage can often be a major turn-off for a lot of viewers. It can make your videos look really unprofessional and can even produce motion sickness. So how do you avoid shaky footage? First is use a tripod. Tripod will be your best friend. A tripod is the most reliable way to stabilize your camera. It eliminates camera shake and allows you to compose your shots more carefully. Then you can invest in a stabilizer like a gimbal. A gimbal stabilizer can help you achieve smooth, professional looking shots even when you are on the move, right? So if you're walking, use a gimbal. Find a stable surface. If you don't have a tripod or a gimbal, then you can find a sturdy surface to rest your camera on, like a table or a wall or a cushion. Instead of recording a long, lengthy video, you can try shooting in shorter bursts. So this can help reduce the impact of the camera shake. And the last one is use a wider lens. So the more closer you are or the more telly you are, the more shake it is. So try this experiment, like use a 56 or a 85mm lens and try doing a handheld shoot versus use a 16mm or a 20mm, 24mm and try doing the same shot. You know, often you will find that wider the angle, the less the shake in your video will be. Because this happens because it captures a wider field of view. So by following these simple tips, you can ensure that your videos are smooth, professional, and enjoyable to watch. Okay, mistake number 3, the muffled microphone malfunction. Clear audio is just as important as good video. Poor audio quality can make your videos difficult to watch and understand. How to improve your audio quality? You have to invest in a good microphone. A good quality microphone can significantly improve your audio quality. Consider using a lav mic, a lavalier microphone, shotgun microphone, or even a USB microphone. Position the microphone correctly. Position the microphone as close to your mouth as possible. So there is something to minimize the background noise. So there's something called as signal to noise ratio. So whatever you want the audiences to listen is called the signal, and whatever is unwanted is the noise. So the closer you are to the source, that's how much better you'll capture the signal. In this case, if I'm talking, the closer the microphone is, it's going to capture the signal that well. The further away you go, it's going to capture the noise around as well. Try getting the microphone as close. Then avoid background noises. Film in a quiet location or use noise cancelling headphones to reduce background noise. Monitor your audio levels. Use your camera's audio meter to ensure your audio levels are not too high or not too low. And then edit your audio in post-production. You can use audio editing software to remove background noise, adjust audio levels, and improve overall quality. Also, one tip that I would like to give: whenever you are releasing any video for any digital platform, make sure that you master your audio to optimum level by just putting a limiter on your master fader. So by following these simple tips, you can ensure that your videos have a clear and crisp audio. Mistake number 4, the cluttered chaos. A cluttered background can be a major distraction for all your viewers. It can take their attention away from the message and make your video look unprofessional. So how to choose a right background? Keep it simple. A clean and minimalist background can help your audience focus on you and your message. Consider your message. The background should complement the tone and style of your video. For example, a bright and colorful background might be appropriate for a fun and energetic video, while a more subdued background might be better for a serious or more informative video. Use a blurred background. If you want to draw attention to your subject, you can use a blurred background technique. This can help to isolate your subject and the background and make them stand out. By choosing the right background, you can create a more visually appealing and engaging video. Mistake number 5, the composition conundrum. A well-composed shot can make a big difference in overall impact of your video. By understanding basic composition techniques, you can create more visually appealing and engaging content. For example, there is rule of thirds. Divide your frame into 9 equal parts by 2 horizontal lines and 2 vertical lines. Place your subject at one of the intersections of these lines. This creates a more dynamic and interesting composition than simply centering your subject. Use the lines to guide the viewer's eye through the frame. This leads me to leading lines. Leading lines are the lines with the image that draw the viewer's eye to a specific point. This can be real lines like roads or rivers, or implied lines created by the arrangement of elements in the frame. Use the leading lines to guide the viewer's eye to your subject. By understanding and applying these composition techniques, you can create more visually appealing and engaging videos. There are a lot of composition techniques available online, so please do have a look at them so you can frame your shot in a better way. So by avoiding all these common video pitfalls, you'll be able to shoot really well, and you'll be on your way to creating really stunning visuals that captivate your audiences. Remember, the devil's in the details, so pay attention to the little things and you'll be amazed at the difference it can make. So that's about it for today, and please don't forget to subscribe to Caliac Studios. Once again, I'm Malay from Caliac Studios, and I'll see you in my next video. Have a good one. Bye.